Yo, it's your boy Will, and I'm back in another video. And today we will clean up with Will, and this is day 39. I repeat, this is day 39. Let's begin. Don't see my chest, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Ouch. I just gonna have to see my chest. I don't know how to work this thing. I'm gonna figure it out. But yeah, go clean up with Will. And this is day 39. We got 5 minutes on the roster already. No, I'm gonna see how the fits the one for your head. That's so I can get some better footage from it. Yeah, I don't want this phone anymore. The 100 subscribers, man. We're coming for the 100 subscribers, dog. For real. Coming for the 100 subscribers, man. At 500, and we just monetize like that, you feel me? We just monetize like that. Everybody else sleeping right now. I'm just a man doing it all. You feel me? I'm just a man doing it all. Yeah. But yeah, man. The only man up right now, moving around. Ain't wasting no time. Because we need to be somewhere great in life. Yeah, I know exactly where I came from. Grateful for where I'm at, but not satisfied. Not satisfied. So it's like, not satisfied. Hey, go get a good shot before I leave out, man. In the mirror. In the mirror, man. In the mirror. In the mirror. See something. Oh, watching stuff right now. See something. This is difficult, dog. I'm gonna get the hang of it, though. This thing want to tweak already. All right.